We have door number 1, door number 2, and door number 3. And I'm so excited because we did our random drawing and I have the names right here in front of me. And behind door number 1, we have, oh, I didn't tell you guys. Is it glowing? Is it shimmering? My mom and dad surprised me with a Christmas sweater today. So I took the tags off and put it right on for you guys. I mean, cause most likely I'm not gonna wear this all year round. But it's kind of cute. My parents are 85, you guys. They're still buying me cute little sweaters at Christmas time. I love it. I don't know where I get this Christmas giving thing from. Okay, back to the doors. Behind door number 1, we have Kylie Cosmetics, lip liner and liquid lipstick. I'm going to be presenting this gift to Zane S. So you need to private message me at Rod Squad Girl on Instagram so I can get your gift to you. And behind door number 2 is Carolina Herrera's fragrance, Good Girl, and the cute little black velvet bag that came with it. And this is going to Over the Moon. Congratulations. Please message me at Rod Squad Girl on Instagram and we will get your gifts out to you. And behind door number 3 is our Beauty Bakerie giveaway. And the winner of this one is Coco Jame. Coco Jamie? Coco Jame. So congratulations. Please private message me on Instagram at Rod Squad Girl and we will get your information. So there's the first 3 of our 12 days of Christmas giveaway. So next week, starting on Monday, we are going to be doing 5 giveaways. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. There will be a video up with a new giveaway. Make sure that you are watching to find out exactly what you need to do to enter. Next week, unlike this week, we are going to be adding Facebook on as a social media contact as well. So unfortunately, on YouTube, there's no way for me to contact you privately to get your address and info that I need to get the items shipped to you. So I don't want you to just put that out there. So we need to go through social media, which will be either Facebook or Instagram. If you don't have Instagram, feel free to message me on Facebook as well. Thanks so much. This has been a blast so far for me. I love the time of giving and being able to do this. We have 9 more to go. Make sure you're watching. Thank you for subscribing. For all of the new subscribers out there, welcome. I'm so glad you're here and you've only seen the giveaway part. So hopefully you can check out some other videos, share this. They have some new requirements on YouTube and I need to reach 1,000 subs in 1 year. And for you guys that have done YouTube, you realize how hard that is. If you haven't, it's kind of hard. So anything you can do to help me out, that would be awesome. Share this video with someone that maybe they could find value in what I have to say. We have 2019 coming and I'm already looking into January, coming up with some really great things to share, and I would love for you to be a part of it. Take care, have a wonderful night, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.